Hey guys, so the Sour Patch Kids are melted and mixed, and now that those are way, we're gonna mix up the powdered sugar and the cornstarch. Now we need to get a bowl. Okay, so let's open this. I'm just squeezing it out. Oh, making such a mess. Sorry. Hey, I think that's enough. Now, the powdered sugar. I'm gonna need scissors. Or I could just rip this. Let's use a fork. The powdered sugar in the store and storage looks the same. Actually, it's the same. It does look the same. So the powdered sugar is lighter. Wow, that's a lot. This is okay. We got the bowl. Okay, now we have to stir. With a spoon. Wait. So stir in the cornstarch and the powdered sugar and mix until combined. Slime will keep up to we covered a container. Okay, so I have to stir. I have to stir this. So I think we're supposed to put in the slime. As I can remind you, it is edible slime. See, I'm supposed to mix this, Mom, right? The cornstarch and the...
Not all of that, though. Where's the slime?
Okay. Sorry.
You're supposed to put not all of that, just some of it.
And did I put this in the slime?
Yeah. So put like a spoonful. Bring the slime over. Don't do that. Just leave it. Don't do that.
Okay, we got the slimes. So I put a spoonful. Okay, not that much. Now, I put it in each one, right?
Mm-hmm.
Then put it in this. Then I put a spoonful in this. Then spoonful in this. Now I gotta mix, right?
Yeah. Well, you have to put the sugar in too.
Okay. This is the cornstarch and the sugar.
Oh, you put the cornstarch and the sugar together?
Yeah, I thought I thought that's what it said. I'll just put the sugar in.
You cannot have it open like this, Dylan.
I'm sorry, I didn't get scissors. Well, guys, this is like a total disaster. It's such a mess. I don't have a lot of food to
Take
do.
a spoonful out of here.
Take a spoonful. Okay, I got a spoonful.
Put it in. And then try mixing it together, see if it becomes slimy.
This is my first time. Oh man, I don't. Ugh. Man, this is good. The slime got hard. That's supposed to happen? The slime getting hard? I'm starting to feel slimy. It's starting to get slimy already. Tastes delicious. It is starting to get slimy. Listen, I think this is science for all I know, but you just gotta trust the process. So I'm gonna think I gotta take it out. Take this out. Need to get a container. Containers are up here. Okay, I got the container. Just okay, listen guys, we just want to show you how the slime is turning out. It's turning out squishy, warm, with a pretty color. The slime is orange, as you can see. Now got it. It still has a little powdered sugar on it, but this is how this one turned out. It's like a little orange and greenish. So that's it. This now the next one. I make the Oh, this one pretty good. Okay, and for the last one. Ugh. Help me out, please. This is also really hard. Down.
Yeah, that one seems to be stuck.
No, it's stuck. I got it.
You got it?
Yeah, I think I got it. God, dig my nails into it.
Careful.
Okay, for the last part of this video, this is how this turned out, greenish color. Me and the local celeb are gonna take a look. Okay, take a look on this one.
Oh, neat.
Huh?
You said look at it?
Yeah, lick.
Oh, no, I don't want that. You look at it.
Okay, yeah, let's look it.
How's it taste?
Good. Now let's taste the other one. I give this a 10, 9 out of 10. I give this a 7 out of 10. Yeah, I would give this a 5 out of 10.
5?
Yeah, it's not that good. Well, there you have it, folks. And I just made a edible Sour Patch Candy Slime. And thank you for watching. I hope you like and share and comment on this video. And also, here's a tip before you go. Ask a parent to help you make this slime, and maybe not make a mess. Okay.